All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back with Break 531, Formula, Lite. Let's read some names. Micah C with Alfa Romeo, Mark E with AlphaTauri and Alpine, Stefan V with Aston Martin, Zachary C with Ferrari, Alex B Haas, Min S with McLaren, Zachary C Mercedes and Red Bull, Daniel C Williams, Art Grand Prix going to John S, Stefan V with Campos, Carlene Philip R, Stefan V with Charuz, John S Dom, Stefan V with High Tech Grand Prix, Philip R with MP Motorsports, Stefan V with Prima and Trident, Tyler M with Von Amersfoort, Stefan V with Virtuosi. That's right, Tyler. You actually have Von Amersfoort. There you go, everyone. Congrats to everyone who won their teams. Let's see what we got. Das ist gut. Das ist gut, the man says. For my Formula One people, this is, I think, the last of our Lite. We just kind of picked this up on the go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8. 8 and 8. That's what we want to see. But for next week, we're actually going to have, believe it or not, Formula F1 hobby back. So not Lite, but hobby. So please remember that, because when you're bidding on that, just know it is hobby, not Formula Lite. So there will be autos in that one.
Just little.
So we're bringing back a little bit of hobby. It's a little harder to find this stuff these days because, you know, a lot of it has already been broken. The prices have kind of gone all over the place. But we will have, I believe, a 3-box break next week of Formula F1 hobby. But this is Lite, so this will be our usual scheduled programming. I've been kind of following that Netflix special on Formula F1, so that's been a lot more fun. I kind of have a little more backstory on a lot of these guys, so it's definitely been fun. I'm done with the 3 seasons. I haven't started season 4 yet because I've just been so busy, but I plan on it. All right, here we go. Right off the bat, we have Mr. Gasly, black and white, Ray Wave.
Change of pace.
You know, a Schumacher Magnussen team card, a purple checker of Lewis Hamilton. There you go. For Mercedes out of 199, 65 of 199, purple checker for Zachary. And we got a purple green short print of Dennis Hauger for Prima, not numbered. There's a chrome of McLaren. Black and white Franz Toast. What is happening here? Rookie of Zhao. Ricardo, black and white, Ray Wave. That guy's a character. A Aston Martin.
Daniel.
Yeah, Ricardo. He's crazy. Max Verstappen, Speed Demon. Black and white, Lando Norris. A Alonso, Chrome. Carlos Sainz. Ooh, and a Charles Leclerc mini diamond for Ferrari. That should be out of 299. 298 to 299 for Ferrari. That's Zachary. There you go, a little Leclerc action. All right, let's also check this out. Lando Norris, Chrome. Team members Vettel and Stroll. Love this guy too. This guy's great.
Oh man, I forgot his saying.
He's just like the way he talks. At Oracle Red Bull. The Wanks. Bunch of wank. Yeah, something like that. Ricardo, Speed Demon. Love how he talks. Verstappen and Perez. Lewis Hamilton Chrome. Speed Demon Sergio Perez. And a Fernando Alonso checkered for Alpine. Albon. Speed Demons Alonso. And ooh, we got a gold. So Art Grand Prix, and we have a gold. Leclerc. Gold wave out of 50 for Ferrari. 38 of 50. There you go. Nice hit, Zachary C.
See, I'm being quiet tonight. I'm sorry, man.
Nice gold wave Leclerc.
Man said huge.
Huge. Quattro, 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 and quattro. Empty box. All right, box 2.
Need some chit chat. Okay.
All right, chit chat away, man. Let me do my job.
What do you want to talk about? I can't talk over you.
Sure you can. While I'm opening,
Oh, that? Yeah.
this is your moment. Parte microphone.
I didn't prepare my Ark's Corner
Ark's Corner, yeah.
topic of the week.
Yeah, we gotta start that music of Violato's Radio.
What did I do on my week off? Well, for the first few days, I did absolutely nothing. It was the most unproductive 2 days I've had in a very long time. And then the second part of the week, I promised the kiddos, the older two, that I'll work on their bathroom, so painted, a bunch of other stuff. So that was my exciting week off.
And right back to, that's what you're supposed to say, back to you.
Back to you.
All right, we got a chrome of Sergio Perez, Bottas and Zhou. A checker of Lewis Hamilton. There you go. There's the checker. Black and white, Lando Norris.
I learned how to pass it back the right way.
That's okay. We'll get there, man.
We'll get there, though.
Rookie of Zhou.
We got 2 more boxes.
Carlos Sainz, chrome. Alfa Romeo. That's actually a Zhou rookie team card. There's Gasly and Tsunoda. Marcus Armstrong, future star, chrome. Oracle Red Bull Racing, black and white. Alexander Albon, Ray Wave. Zhou again, rookie. And another gold. Get the hell out of here. Haas, Du Haas team. And we got another gold wave for Scuderia AlphaTauri Marquis. 4 of 50. And that's going to be Tsunoda. That's Yuki Tsunoda. Another gold wave. Very nice. Congrats, Mark E.
What did he do on his week? To be continued.
Oh, I don't have days off, man. I just work. I got work and more work. Zhou rookie. I'm not taking off till like June. Ocon's. No such thing here. Lance Stroll, chrome. A purple checker again of Max Verstappen. There you go, Red Bull. Number to 199, 163 to 199, Max Verstappen. Purple checker. Black and white Latifi. McLaren F1. Alpine. Alfa Romeo. And a purple Max Verstappen Grand Prix winner, Mexico. Out of 399. 167 of 399. There you go. And a gold purple Lewis Hamilton short print. Nice. Gold purple Lewis Hamilton Mercedes short print. There's a Leclerc and Sainz. Black and white Ricky Ricardo. Schumacher chrome. And the Speed Demon of Gasly. All right, box 3. Back to you, Ark.
Back to me. To answer your question on behalf of Martin, he worked all week. So, right? That's what you did?
That is correct. That is correct. Work, 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 work. So did you, man. Ivan popped in and talked to Tyler when he was breaking ones.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
Okay.
I am bidding on that jaw in your case break, which you never told me about, by the way.
Did you? I missed Luca.
It already ended?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if I won or not. Probably, I don't know. So Luca Doncic. I assume it's by last name. So that maybe they're not on Morant yet. Yeah, you did. Totally forgot. Lucky for you, I sniffed it out. Doesn't mean I won it because I don't even know if it's ended yet. I don't think. When's the break, by the way? Is it Monday?
I think it's 4-5. It said, right?
4,
No,
5.
Maybe 4-3.
Well, that's Monday.
Yeah. Is that Monday or Wednesday?
All right, here we go. Let's continue. There's our checker, which is Lando Norris, McLaren, black and white, Iwasa, Adams,
Court Kings title.
Alonso, Chrome, Williams Racing, Max Verstappen, Chrome, Lance Stroll.
Our sound is bad? Okay.
Oh, really?
We're good now.
Okay. O'Shea,
That's a Wednesday.
Latifi Albon, black and white Latifi. Prima. Ooh, nice. A pink chrome of Max Verstappen to 75. 64 of 75. Nice. Daniel Ricciardo, black and white. And Albon. All right, let's see what else we got here. We got Williams, a green ray wave of Just Capito. And that's 44 of 99 for Williams. Just Capito.
I haven't seen him in the show.
Rookies out, yeah. Red green short print of Mick Schumacher. Vettel Speed Demon, black and white Ricardo. Lewis Hamilton chrome. Norris and Ricardo. Lando Norris Speed Demon. Aston Martin. Ferrari. Drugovic chrome and a purple Fernando Alonso for Alpine. 130 of 399. All right, last box. After this break, we're going to take a few minutes intermission to catch up on payments for the final 4 breaks for tonight. So, because we are having 8 breaks, so this is break number 4. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're probably really good on time anyway, because I'm ahead, given the short nature of our Court Kings break. So we will be, after this, we will take this short intermission. So Tyler, you're going to have to keep everybody entertained.
Get your dancing shoes on.
Yep, do something. Tell some jokes. He said huge.
Reach out to Jenny so she can pop in and do some fun facts.
Yeah. Let's do that. Okie dokie. Let's see if we can finish strong. We had that 1 gold, well, 2 gold waves. Let's see if we can get more. Let's get something good. Let's get a red or a 1 of 1. I still haven't pulled one of those yet. Here we go. There's our Ricky Ricardo Chrome. Haas. A checker of Alexander Albon for Williams. Black and white Nissany. Alpine team. Black and white Gasly. Here is a Lewis Hamilton Chrome. A team of Norris and Ricardo. Tsunoda. Mercedes, black and white Tsunoda. Nicholas Latifi, and a green Frederick Vesti. There you go, Art Grand Prix, green, out of 99, 70 of 99, very nice. Green is good. Green is good. There's that Max Verstappen, purple, green short print. Charles Leclerc, black and white Lando Norris. Duhan.
Where did she come from?
Oh, Jesus. Maybe Tyler has her number. Scuderia AlphaTauri. George Russell. Hi, Jennifer.
Hi, Jenny.
Alonso Ocon.
Just popped out of nowhere.
Yes, she did. Tsunoda. A purple of Liam Lawson. That should be numbered at 399, 85 of 399.
Probably has her on Discord.
Or Carlene. Probably. Or they played that same game together and just nobody knows. Hamilton Russell. He's helping her build.
Am I jelly? I'm not jelly about that.
Their score.
But now I know why Tyler stopped writing me.
Max Verstappen, green Ray Wave. Out of 99 is our final card, 73 of 99. All right, recap time. We got that green Vesti. That's going to beat us to 99. We got that Alonso purple to 399. A red-green shortwave of Mick Schumacher. A green Ray Wave of Capito to 99. A pink Verstappen to 75. A purple checker of Verstappen to 199. A gold-purple short print of Hamilton. A purple of Verstappen to 399. A gold wave of Scuderia AlphaTauri out of 50, 4 of 50 of Yuki Tsunoda. Purple green short print of Hauger. And we have a purple Lewis Hamilton checker to 199. A Leclerc mini diamond for Ferrari to 299. And a Leclerc gold wave to 50, 38 of 50. And then there's a couple more that he just sleeved. Liam Lawson to 399, purple. and a green Ray Wave of Verstappen to 99. All right, everyone. Again, like we mentioned, we're going to take a quick break so we can catch up on payments, and we'll be back in a few minutes.
Thanks, everyone.